Well, every crazy idea has to start from somewhere, and this was one of those ideas. I wanted to take a PS4, a second-hand PS4, and put it in a PC tower. I had a PC tower lying around, so I thought, what can I do with it? And that's where I began. First, I had to test whether it works properly and look at everything before I break it apart. I never wanted to break something apart and find out maybe it wasn't working initially because it was secondhand. And also, I could not break my PS4 that I have. I like it, I've used it, it's working properly, so I thought for this experiment I'd rather get something secondhand and then be able to modify it and create something new. Well, initially, to be able to do this project, I had to watch a lot of YouTube videos on how to open a PS4, how to refurbish a PS4, and what is inside, where the screws are, and each and every component. So it was very important for me before starting to open it, and also for you if you're thinking of creating or building your own PS4 in a tower, then it will be important for you to be able to first of all watch a few videos to understand how to open it, how to break it apart, and then from there it will become very easy and automatic for you to open it. But you shouldn't be scared. It's something straightforward. Once you watch 100 videos then you can be able to figure it out. But anyway, I had to get going with it, and my idea was first to take it apart and then put it in the tower. And it was a pretty straightforward thing to do, and to open each and every part and see what's inside actually a PS4. Actually, it's exciting. So we have the hard drive, we have the Blu-ray CD part, we have the motherboard, we have the connection to the fan, and then the Wi-Fi cable that runs all the way to the other side. So as I take off all these parts, the on and off button and many other things, they eject, I have to know how to put it back together. Well, that's it. Time to open it. After opening it, I was able to look around and just get myself familiar with everything. My major concern was the Blu-ray drive, because I knew I have to figure out a way that it's going to sit on the PC tower properly. But because it uses the sleeves to attach instead of cables, it would be quite difficult if I want to solder them, or that's my major issue. How am I going to mount it in a PC tower? Once I was able to open it, I had to figure it out and think for a minute. Am I going to 3D print a case for the Blu-ray drive to sit in, or what am I going to do? So I have to find a way to this. So as you can see, I'm trying to figure out also the on and off button, and also the eject button of the Blu-ray. Situation. So it's usually at that point I'm usually thinking, you hear me repeating myself, it's usually I'm now trying to figure out what am I going to do. To probably clean it before, but all in all, very good. Time to strip it more. I know you're wondering what's up with the format of how I've done the videos, but initially I normally do shorts and reels of projects that I do, and I thought to myself, why can't I just put it in a video format and have a proper step-by-step process of what I did in order to install a PS4 in a PC tower. And it's interesting for the next person who wants to do his own mods on a PS4. There are people who are doing mods on Xboxes, but it's very hard to find information about PS4s, and a few new companies are doing now PS4 mods. Those are the connection points that the Blu-ray uses. So if I wanted to modify them and put them on a PC tower, it would be very difficult, because the modern PC towers don't have a disk drive, or don't have a point to even sit your Blu-ray somewhere. So I had to really think about this one. It really chewed my brain for a minute. So I have the Blu-ray out. I've been able to break it apart, not break it, but more open it. So as you can see, I have the Blu-ray, I have the external hard drive, I have the heatsink, the fan, the motherboard itself, and the electric unit. Also, antennas, switch. Well, that was exciting. For the people who use a PS4, it's very easy to open it on the side of the heatsink, as you have seen at the start. So you can be able to open it, and also at the fan, and then you can use a blower to just blow the dust out. It's usually very dusty. So that one actually is what makes it heat up. So a little bit of maintenance, if you have it for a long time, then just open it up. It's easy. Then once you open it up, you can blow the heat out. See you on the flip side. Peace.